हाय आई एम बैक अगेन। अभी आप मुझे बताओ एम आई ऑडिबल, मतलब दिस आवाज आ रही है मेरी? नहीं? हाँ, क्या बोलूं? कमेंट्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे? हाय गाइस, समझ में नहीं आ रहा कुछ नहीं आया। सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग अगेन, सॉरी गाइस, आई हैव टू फिनिश करना पड़ा पहला वीडियो एंड आई एम बैक अगेन। एंड प्रीति, अब मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या बेटर? ये बताओ प्लीज, सो देन आई विल स्टार्ट। अभी ठीक है क्या मेरी आवाज? इट्स बेटर? Okay, so I'll resume again. For booking, you have to WhatsApp us on 9579612583 में. Okay, चलो great. And मेरा website भी है by the name of www.jigyasas.com. Sorry. So jigyasas.com is my website. आप वहाँ पे भी booking करा सकते हैं. So we deliver pan India and international shipping is also available. So we basically deal with kurtis. We are into home furnishings also, plus suit fabrics and everything. We are also there. So let's start. So last time मैंने जो दिखाया था those were short kurti, something like this. 29 inches was the length. Booking के लिए आप screenshot भेजिए on 9579612583 and shipping would be extra. Hi Linda, welcome. So Pune के लिए is 30. Bombay it's 50 and rest of the Maharashtra also 50 and for India it's 80 rupees a kg. So अगर आप देखें, these have got lovely bell sleeves. आप ठीक है? See this, guys. So this is in cotton, not rayon this time. So this is cotton, length is 29, L and XL are the sizes, L means 40 and XL means 42. Sleeves की लंबाई है आपकी 10 से 11 इंच आएगा and अगर आप देखें this is full bell sleeves, full umbrella cut. गला इसका 5 इंच करेगा सामने, back is high. So now I'll show you the next color. नहीं, I think so I am finished with the bell sleeves one. अब जो मेरी हैं those are long sleeves with bell sleeves at the end. So this is what length सबकी same है, that is 29 inches. This is in rayon. अगर आप देखें इस बार जो sleeves हैं those are long ones. These are 19 inch sleeves हैं. ये straight आएंगी आपकी 11 inch की and then 5 inch का bell दिया हमने. So this is how it will look like. 500 is the cost of this kurti. Shipping would be extra. मैं दूर जा रही हूँ जिससे आपको और visible होगा. So this is how it looks like. So again 40 and 42 is the length. Again sleeves आप देख लीजिए एक बार. Long sleeves with bell at the end and boat neck. अब इसमें मैं आपको colors display करूँगी. 500 is the cost of the kurtis, guys. Hi Farzina. And please like our video and share our video. Live में we would be definitely जो हमारे वीडियो को ज्यादा शेयर करेगा, we will be giving away prize. Last time it was Ami. उसने काफी हमारे वीडियो शेयर और अपने टैग करे अपने फ्रेंड्स को. So Ami, I'll be sending you a gift soon. So I'll request everybody to tag, but tagging at least we'll request you to do 7 to 8 people. या आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, बट हमें पता होना चाहिए. सो अमी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, विल गिव यू गिफ्ट सून. सो हम सब टैग योर फ्रेंड्स. and let them know about us. So this is the next one again. Again 29 inches is the length of the kurti. And if you see this is again a bell sleeves. 11 inch ki. L and XL is the sizes we have. 500 is the cost of the kurti. Shipping would be extra. So this is now the next one. ये सेम है आपकी लॉन्ग बेल स्लीव्स. अगर आप देखें 19 इंचेस लेंथ है. 29 inches is the length of the kurti. L and XL sizes. 500 is the cost of the kurti. For booking 7961258 पे आपको हमें WhatsApp करना है. And there is no COD on these kurtis. So only Paytm, GPay या फिर account transfer के थ्रू आप बुकिंग करा सकते हैं. And once we receive the amount, we will be dispatching your courier. And delivery pan India possible है. Even in small locations we are delivering. Now the next one. So though this is a navy blue color with small white flowers all across. If you see again L and XL is the sizes that are available. Long bell sleeves अगर आप देखें, bell sleeves are 19 inches. So 11 इंच की आपकी लंबी स्लीव्स रहेंगी and then bell will be there. आप मशीन वॉश कर सकते हैं इसको. There is no problem with the colors and all. So L and XL is the size, that is 40 and 42. ये 44 को भी फिट हो जाएगा. So बुकिंग से पहले आप हमसे कंफर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. So see this. Now this is the next color. It's a lovely blue shade actually. It's a lovely blue shade. इसमें ये again long sleeves हैं. L and XL is the size available with us. ये rayon में है. So that is 40 and 42. 29 is the length. 500 is the cost of the kurti. Now the next one. जो white and black के fan है ये उनके लिए है. So L and XL is the size. ये इसका जो XL it will fit up to a 44 size person also. These are the bell sleeves. 19 इंच की स्लीव्स हैं आपकी ये. $500 is the cost of the kurti. Now the next one, that's light blue and dark blue shade. See this? 29 inches. It's a long sleeves. Please share our video, tag your friends. So at least 7 या 8 people को आप tag करिए. We are giving prizes every time live video. So 29 inches would be the length of the kurti. This is a very nice color, lavender color. If you see, 29 inches again the length. Sleeves की लंबाई है 19 inches. L and XL are the sizes available. For bookings, message us on 957961258. There is no COD available. And neither there is an exchange or return policy. Only अगर कुछ डैमेज होता है और आप हमें वीडियो या कैमरे क्लिक करके भेजते हैं तो we'll definitely do the exchange possible. Now the next one, it's a lovely black and pink color. See this? And if you see the bell sleeve, they have got lovely pleating also. This looks very smart. Length of the kurti is 29 inches. Also right now tag your friends. Sit in. Hi Rashmi. So length of the kurti is 29. L and XL are the sizes available with us. L means 40, XL is 42. ये 44 वालों तक को भी आ जाएगा. So there is no problem. Now the next shade. No. I think so I'm done with my short kurtis. That is bell sleeves part. तो हमने दो bell sleeves की कुर्तीज दिखाई. एक थी 11 इंच की. अब हम आपको थोड़ी कुर्तीज दिखाने वाले हैं. asymmetrical style kurtis, also known as samosa cut style. So if you see, it's an asymmetrical, like from bottom it is like this style, zigzag. The length of this kurti is 59. All in rayon. Hi Ekta. Very smart piece. So XL means 44, double XL means 46. It will fit up to a 48 size person. The cost of this kurti is 700. It's got some buttons in the front. Again, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर लेके जाती हूँ so that you can make out. I think so. I need to take it a bit high. So this is how it looks like. The bottom portion. Length is 59 of the kurti. Sleeves are 3/4. That's 17 inches. अब मैं आपको इसमें colors दिखाती हूँ. This is one color. This is the second color. Sizes again XL and double XL. 44 till 48 people will fit into it. It's an asymmetrical cut. Rayon में है आपका ये. Cost of the kurti is 700. It's a samosa cut. मैं आपको इसकी photos भी भेजती हूँ अभी थोड़ी देर में so that you can make out. You can take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9579612583 पर. Now the next color is blue. It's a plain blue, navy blue color. Sizes again XL and double XL है हमारे पास. See this again asymmetrical cut. Length of the kurti is 59. For bookings, message us on 9579612583 पर. हम आपको अभी फोटोज भी शेयर कर देंगे on Facebook and WhatsApp for bookings and all. As of now हमारे पास सारे sizes available हैं. There is no COD available in this. So once we receive amount via Paytm, GPay and account, we'll book your order. Now the next one is blue. And if you see, there are lovely dots all across of different colors, blue, pink and all. हम आपके सारे messages को reply करेंगे, so please wait. As of now, we are trying to message you, but rest of the things we'll be messaging on WhatsApp. So it's an asymmetrical cut. 44, 46 and 48, these are the three sizes. So basically XL and double XL है, but double XL 48 वालों को भी fit हो जाएगा. Video is blurred? Is the video blurred? ठीक है? I think so network issue. So this one. Now the next color. मैं आपको थोड़ा जल्दी कलर्स दिखा देती हूँ. This is the next color, pink color. It's a bright pink. 700 is the cost. XL and double XL are the sizes. Shipping available pan India and international shipping is also available. Then the next is in blue color. Same sizing, XL, double XL, 3/4 sleeve, that's 17 inches. हम आपको WhatsApp पे इसकी फोटोज भी शेयर करेंगे. There is no COD. आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके हमें WhatsApp कर सकते हैं 961253 पे. मशीन वॉश एंड हैंड वॉश दोनों है. So these are our asymmetrical kurtis. अब हम आपको I have bought this time one pattern of nighty so that I'm going to display. Very fine cotton. I'm using it myself also. And इसमें जो sizes हैं that is extra small से लेके double XL तक है. Extra small means 36 and then double XL means 44, 46 दोनों को आ जाएगा. So if you see this, it's a lovely blue color. Length of the nighty is it's around 55 रहेगी इसकी लेंथ आपकी. I'll measure also just to have confirmation. Yeah, 53. So 53 is the length of the nightie. Very fine cotton. It has got one side में pocket भी है. कई लोग demand करते हैं pocket for keeping the mobile. Cotton is very fine. The cost of this nightie is 600. Plus shipping would be extra. In nightie में हम flat shipping दे रहे हैं, that is 50 rupees across India. Hi Anu. Hi Rakhi ma'am. So इसमें कॉलर भी है, आप देखिए. And these are all stitch, machine stitch करा हुआ है. Color is very fast. You can easily wash it in machine or by hand, anything. There's no problem with the colors. अभी हमारे पास सारे sizes हैं, extra small to लेके double XL तक. For bookings, message us on 9579612583. Now the next one. आपको थोड़ी dresses दिखा रहे हैं Georgettes. So these are the dresses we have introduced in Georgettes में with a body cut. Body cut जो है इसका 16 इंच का है. And if you see this has got overlapping. The length जो है ये है आपकी 60. आप अपने हिसाब से इसको shorten कर सकते हैं. मैं थोड़ा दूर से and I'll show it to you. This is how it will look like. Waist में elastic दी है. See this to adjust. हाँ वही third. Then the sleeves, if you see, these are and इसमें भी elastic है so that the proper look comes. So if you see, it's a very smart one. It's an overlapping. You can say it's a bohemian dress. So this is how it will look like. 60 is the length. You can adjust it as per your sizing. इसमें मेरे पास 80 size available है, that is M. That will fit a 40 and a 42 size both. The cost of this dress is 750. Shipping will be extra. So see this. It's a very smart one actually. Very smart dress. So अगर आपको बुकिंग करवाना, please take a screenshot and forward on 9579612583 पर. Now the next one. इसमें इनर आता है आपका, if you see, this is a Georgette with, it's got a bow at the front. See this? And all these have puff sleeves. And इसमें हमने side में at the end we have given elastic so that the look comes. I'll show you the inner also. Length सबकी is 60. इसमें मेरे पास साइजेस अवेलेबल हैं XL and double XL. These are all imported fabrics. Acha, it's fixed. Okay, no problem. So I'll just show you the inner. So if you see the inner, that's stretchable fabric. So it stretches out. And it's a spaghetti style inner. So this is how it will look like, the inner. Sorry guys, today it's very hot. It's really humid. So that's why. So this is how the inner will look like. इसकी भी cost is 750. ये सभी pieces हम discount पे निकाल रहे हैं. Shipping इसमें flat shipping रहेगी 50 rupees across India guys. In 1 kg I think so 2 pieces can be accommodated. हाँ ठीक है क्या? I think so, network issue. Hi Vandana. Now the next one. This is the next one in white. This doesn't have a slip with it. If you see again, bow at the center. It's got, this doesn't have a puff sleeves. It's got plain sleeves. And at the end elastic दिया and हल्का सा bell दिया हमने. अब ये जो fabric है, this is polyester fabric. Poly cotton you can say, not exactly Georgette also. एंड नीचे जो है लेंथ इज 60, सो आराम से आप अपने हिसाब से इसको ऑल्टर कर सकते हैं. साइज इज एक्सएल एंड डबल एक्सएल. एक्सएल इज 42, डबल एक्सएल इज 44, पर ये थोड़ा स्ट्रेच होता है तो आराम से ये फिट आ जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. 750 is the cost of the dress. Shipping is available pan India. 50 rupees would be the shipping for entire India. So this is how it will look like. हम सभी इसकी फोटोज भी शेयर करेंगे. This is the next one. It's again in Georgette. It has a lining inside. It's got an overlapping panel in front. See this? This is how it looks like. ये आप अपने हिसाब से इसको क्लोज कर सकते हैं. स्लीव्स हल्की सी पफ है और सामने हमने थोड़ा सा देखिए आप बटन्स दिए हुए हैं सो दैट द फिनिशिंग कम्स. इट इज गॉट हल्की सी चुन्नते हैं इन द सेंटर. आपका ये जो है दिस इज 16 इंचेस. जैसे कई लोग होते हैं बहुत टॉल होते हैं उनके लिए दिस इज परफेक्ट. दिस बॉडी कट इज परफेक्ट. लेंथ अगेन इज 60 इंच. लेंथ आप सबकी शॉर्टन कर सकते हैं. शिपिंग अवेलेबल पैन इंडिया. वी ऑल्सो हैव अ वेबसाइट www.jigyasas.com. See this, guys. Please like and share our videos. We will be declaring winners every time. So this is how it will look like. 750 is the cost plus 50 shipping. Now this is the next one. This is a lovely peach color. Lovely peach. Again in poly cotton. Sizes available are XL, double XL. See this, guys. Again elastic at the body cut में हमने elastic दिया है for adjustment. Sleeves is like this with halka sa elastic so that the fittings come better. Hi Katha. Hi Smita. So 750 is the cost plus 50 rupees is the shipping. Length सबकी 60 है. आप इसको अपने हिसाब से ऑल्टर करवा सकते हैं. It's a very smart way. Now the next one, I think so मेरे पास एक या दो ही pieces हैं डिस्प्ले करने के लिए. I think so last piece. This is in black again in Georgette with lining given. We have given a lining inside. ये भी आपका overlapping है इसमें. आप देखिए very smart piece. इसके साथ अगर आप एक ज्वेलरी करते हैं लंबा सा चोकर or even a long one, it will look very smart with it. See this. Sleeves are long. Sleeves में हमने lining नहीं दिया है because the look will be very smart without lining. XL and double XL is the size. 750 is the cost. अगर आप देखें तो body cut is 16 inch. ये हल्की सी चून दी हुई है. Sleeves are like this. I'll go a bit fast so that आपको और idea लगे the length. This is a long one. 60 inches आपकी आएंगी. 60 इंच का रहेगा इसकी length. आप इसको अपने हिसाब से shorten कर सकते हैं. 42, 44, 46, these are the three sizes. Lining जो इसकी रहेगी that would be in butter crepe. And it's a quite smart piece. आप bookings के लिए इसका screenshot ले सकते हैं and you can forward it to us on 9796-12583. So guys, this was a bit of a display for today, and we'll again request you to tag your friends because this time Ammi Gandhi from Pune is the winner. She tagged around 7 to 10 friends of hers. So we'll be dispatching the gift to Ami soon. So guys, we request you to share and like our videos, tag your friends, and thank you so much for giving us a good response. Last time हमारी कुर्तीज़ को काफ़ी अच्छा response मिला था. So hoping you will give it a good response this time also. हम अभी आपको pictures भी post करेंगे on Facebook and WhatsApp. So I'll repeat again, my WhatsApp number is 95796-12583 and my website is www.jigyasas, that is JIGYASAS. Am I wrong? www.jigyasas, that is JIGYASAS.com. So आप हमारी website भी visit कर सकते हैं. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon again. Please tag your friends again. And I hope this time the video was much clear and audible because last time शायद video and audio का थोड़ा issues आ रहे थे. So this time we tried, it is better. So guys, thank you again and I'll be seeing you. Signing off now. Thanks guys. See you soon.